Today on World Famous Foods, beef quesadilla. Let's cook. Okay folks, we got our olive oil in the pan. We're gonna add our onions. Now we're gonna add our ground beef. Okay folks, we're gonna add some salt, some black pepper, oh yeah, okay, add some paprika, some chopped garlic, some water, all right. Let's try this. Give it a taste. Oh yeah, okay. So our beef is done. Let's turn this off. Move on to the next step. All right, folks, so we got some butter in the pan. Put our tortilla. Hey Connor, just so you know, this is how we make quesadillas, not in the microwave, buddy. Put some pepper jack cheese on here. Some of our wonderful beef. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell so you get all the notifications. World Famous Foods. World Famous Foods. Got that. We're going to put some cheddar on this. Look at that. Okay, spread this out a little bit more because we're going to fold this. Alright, so let's just fold this. Alright. Go like that for a couple minutes. Okay, now let's turn this to the other side. Okay, folks. We have it. World Famous Foods beef quesadilla. Now let's just cut this up. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Enjoy.